Hey everyone, we are Faraday Group and my name is Anil Gautam.
I'm Justin Westbrook.
Laxmi Poudel. I'm George Sasca.
And we have decided to do the reverse engineering on the fishing grill. And the fishing grill we are about to analyze is Shakespeare RVS P30, that's a model. And we're going to be analyzing the drive gear, belly spring, and the reel bearing of the fishing grill.
I'm going to be doing the spring analysis for the fishing reel. We found out that the material for the spring is an unpeened spring steel, and we found all our spring analysis in SolidWorks. We figured a K value of 12.5 pounds force per inch, and we found a minimum load capacity of 1.5 pounds force and a maximum load capacity of 4.9 pounds force. Our max stress ended up being our max shear stress, and that was 209.5 kpsi, and we found a yield factor of safety of 1.48. Our fatigue factor of safety ended up being 1.26, which meant that our fishing reel had an infinite life.
The gears used in fishing reel were made out of zinc alloy. It turns out pinion had higher bending stress than gear itself, which has a value of 22 kpsi, which is about half the ultimate bending stress of zinc alloys. And using Goodman theory, we calculated the safety factor for fatigue to be 1.45, and then the life as infinite life. SolidWorks really didn't give us the exact value, as 22 kpsi for gear. It gives a value of 15 kpsi, but still doing the stress, fatigue stress analysis, we calculated the life to be infinite.
Alright, the bearing we investigated during our reverse engineering project was a small ball bearing designed for radial load only. For similar bearings and similar applications, we found that a typical FL to the 1/A value is about 260 using pounds as your units of force. Based on an average of 8 pounds acting on the bearing during standard use, just an average, you get an expected life of about 34,000 cycles. And for some mild use, that comes out to about 4.3 years before your bearings should fail.
Talk about the failure mode analysis. The 3 failure mode that we found were reel, it doesn't reel. The reel, it was too fast or out of control. The reel was too slow or too heavy. So we come up with some of the recommendation to overcome that problem, and it was to add the multiple bearing to increase the bearing life and to do the lubrication schedule to keep the component moving properly.